Are you a CCW and carry every day? Do you practice your skill set every single day? Now, one thing that I try to do is get some good clean reps in the morning before I head out. And especially since we're headed into the fall and winter season, you're dealing with a little bit more of a substantial garment, heavier garment. So I try to get 10 clean repetitions before I head out. So let's see if I can do that consecutively. Obviously, when we do this, we want to make sure that we are dealing with a clear tool. And I'm just dealing with a hoodie on a fall day. And let's see what we got. All right, well, what I've been working on specifically is being able to clear the garment and hold here and be able to come down and then up and present and focus on my grip. My grip isn't as clean as I would like it to be, nice and compressed here. I feel like I'm losing my grip here. However, from the unholster, I'm getting a lot better and being able to get that muscle memory, so it's pretty much seamless, coming up under here and presenting. So, well, very important to practice your skill set, get some reps in, especially when you're dealing with garments, jackets, things of that nature. So best of luck, keep practicing, stay safe, and we'll see you on the next video.